Yeah, Maggie, a couple of school delays coming in, surprising amount of school delays actually. So keep that in mind. Check with your school district before you, bring the kids to school this morning, because there have been some delays across interior Connecticut. Now, the shoreline, that's not an issue at all, but there have been a couple of reports of some ice out there, especially around the Stafford and Tolland area. So we'll keep an eye on that throughout the course of the next couple of hours. But overall, temperatures generally are on the rise. So they're going to continue to go up today into the 50s, and some heavier rain starts to make its way in, even in the next couple of hours. These are the temperatures this morning, down at 33 in Hartford. You were at 31 a couple hours ago, so starting to make its way back up in terms of these temperatures, but still kind of hovering right around the freezing mark for some parts of the state. And we've seen a good number of school delays coming in, so you'll see those scrolling at the bottom of your screen. You can always check fox61.com/closings for more information on there. I'll tweet out a link to that right after this weather hit. I can't do it right now, but I will soon. And you can check the latest on there. Now, as we go on through the day, temperatures will get up in a big way. We're talking about some 50s out there, and also a good amount of rainfall. So we're going to start to pour down this rain on top of the snowpack that we already have. So I think a lot of the snow will be kind of slushy out there as it's on the ground, and it's going to be melting quite a bit. So just be ready for that out there throughout the day today. Now, off to our south and west, there's a whole lot more rainfall. So we'll pick up around an inch, maybe an inch and a half of rainfall here, and it's going to be kind of a nasty stretch of weather here for the day today, and then even by tomorrow we may have a lot of clouds and some rain as well. These are those. This is the look at the satellite radar for the day today. It is not looking all that beautiful, with downpours at times. The yellow shows where some of the heavier rain is, and look at that, it just continues all the way into the middle of the day and the afternoon hours. There's 2:30 still showing that rain, and then it continues into the evening, and even by tonight still a few of those downpours, and maybe even a rumble of thunder or two out there. So it's going to be kind of a nasty day. I would absolutely bring the umbrella if you're going to be heading outside during the day today, and the rain gear as well, because you may look outside right now and you're like, all right, it's not that bad, but there will be times where it's really coming down. Temperatures will be into the 50s later on today, and that wind will also pick up around 15 to 35 miles per hour. The rain continues tonight, and it does stay warm. Temperatures down to around 50, and so it's going to be a pretty warm night. It's not really much of a low temperature there. And then as we go on through the day tomorrow, a lot of cloud cover hanging around, but not as wet. I think we keep it mainly dry for the morning and midday hours on Tuesday, but it's late Tuesday that we bring in a cold front. And guess what happens? Some snow starts to mix in. Tuesday night and into Wednesday morning, we may have some snow developing. Now, these kind of systems are a little bit tough because it's all about when you flip over from the rain to snow. Once it happens, it just starts coming down. So we'll keep an eye on this as we go on through Wednesday morning, but I anticipate there will be a lot of school delays and possibly even some cancellations on Wednesday. So we're going to keep an eye out for that, because that's our next chance for any winter weather. Until then, it's just warm. The rain switches to snow on Tuesday during the evening hours into the overnight, and then by Wednesday morning, the chance for some slick roads and falling temperatures, school delays possible, maybe even a couple of cancellations Wednesday morning. And amounts-wise, not a huge snowfall maker here, with around 1 to possibly upwards of 3 or 4 inches, but it is something obviously of note that we'll keep an eye out for, with that chance for some heavier rain the next 2 days, and then by Wednesday morning, the chance for a bit of moderate snow in a few areas. By Thursday and Friday, we're keeping those temperatures on the cooler side in the 30s, and then right back up into the 40s with some rain for Saturday and Sunday. So we'll keep an eye on that forecast with a chance for any winter weather by the middle of the week. We'll send it back to you.